Welcome, welcome. Traditional Polish dinner. Pork chop, mashed potato and a side salad. And I'm gonna show you how to make the side salad. Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Sabina. I was born and raised in Poland. I came to the United States when I was 18 years old and currently live in Florida. Today I made my husband traditional Polish dinner. This is what my grandma used to make for grandfather, and my aunt was making it for her husband, my uncle, and my mom made it for my dad. So today I made it for my husband, who is about to come back home from work and eat his dinner. So this is a traditional pork chop with mashed potatoes. What I wanted to show you today is what do I make as a side dish for vegetable, and I want to make a salad. Very traditional Polish salad that goes well with it is mizeria. And mizeria is only cucumber cut up with some salt, pepper, sour cream or plain yogurt. Well, I make it another way and I want to show you how to. So we have a very popular side that goes with the dinner, and it's called mizeria. Mizeria is just a cucumber with salt, pepper and sour cream. So to make it, you just slice the cucumber into small pieces. Just like this, put some salt, pepper and a little bit of sour cream and it's ready. I like to create new things, I like to experiment, add to it. So what I do is, besides the cucumber, let me just finish cutting it. I also like to put a piece of tomato. Slice it, dice it, however you like it. So it's just like a salad, you know, that goes with dinner, and that is a side dish that goes well with potatoes and any meat, chicken or cutlet, pork chop. And that's what we used to have. And this is a radish. So I also like to put a radish inside, you know, all the goodies, all the good stuff, healthy stuff for you. So everything is just sliced. And instead of sour cream, because there are some people who don't like sour cream, you can use plain Greek yogurt. Just salt and pepper. And another thing to add to it, if you like it of course, is some corn. Only organic. I recommend organic corn because corn is in United States 99% genetically modified and not very good for you. So if you're using a corn to any salad, I'm using only organic. It doesn't cost that much. This is about $1.50 at Walmart. So please, you know, take care of your health and buy the better things, better ingredients. So again, just salt, pepper, and either sour cream or plain Greek yogurt, and you will have delicious salad that goes well with any meat, any protein you have. And this is actually what I'm making for my husband right now. When he comes back from work, he's gonna have his dinner, so he will enjoy this wonderful healthy salad. So I want to show you, this is traditional Polish dinner. Mashed potatoes, pork chop and salad. I'm gonna add a little bit of dill in it, just so there is some herbs. When he comes back, he can eat his dinner. And it is traditional pork chop, mashed potatoes, and a side salad. Very easy to make and very quick. Thank you.